Google Ads, the ultimate guide to increase your ROI. Are you tired of wasting money on Google Ads campaigns that don't produce results? Are you looking for ways to increase your ROI and get the most out of your advertising budget? Look no further. Our team of experts has created the ultimate guide to Google Ads that will help you increase your ROI and get the results you want. Keyword research. Before you start creating your Google Ads campaign, you need to do some keyword research. Keywords are the foundation of your campaign and will determine the success or failure of your campaign. Start by brainstorming a list of keywords related to your business or product. You can use Google's Keyword Planner to get more ideas and see how competitive each keyword is. Choose keywords that are relevant to your business, have high search volume, and low competition. Let's say you're a bakery in New York City. Some relevant keywords for your business might include Bakery NYC, Cupcakes NYC, Fresh Bread NYC, Pastry Shop NYC, and so on. Use Google's Keyword Planner to find additional keyword ideas and see how competitive each keyword is. Ad copy. Once you have your list of keywords, it's time to create your ad copy. Your ad copy should be compelling and concise. You only have a few seconds to grab the attention of your audience, so make sure your ad copy is clear and to the point. Use action words and include a call to action to encourage users to click on your ad. For a cupcake ad, your ad copy might read, "Satisfy your sweet tooth with our delicious cupcakes. Made fresh daily with the finest ingredients. Order now and enjoy free delivery." Use action words like "order now" to encourage users to click on your ad. Landing page. Your landing page is where users will be directed after clicking on your ad. Your landing page should be relevant to your ad and offer users a clear call to action. Make sure your landing page is easy to navigate and mobile-friendly. A well-designed landing page will help increase your conversion rate and ultimately increase your ROI. Your landing page for the cupcake ad should be a page specifically dedicated to your cupcakes. It should include mouth-watering images of your cupcakes, a clear call to action to order, and information about your delivery options. Make sure the page is easy to navigate and mobile-friendly. Ad groups. Organize your keywords into ad groups to make it easier to manage your campaign. Ad groups should be organized by theme and should contain keywords that are closely related to each other. This will help you create more targeted ads that are relevant to your audience. Organize your keywords into ad groups by theme. For example, one ad group might be cupcakes, another might be fresh bread, and another might be pastry shop. This will help you create more targeted ads that are relevant to your audience. Negative keywords. Use negative keywords to exclude keywords that are not relevant to your business. This will help you save money by not showing your ads to users who are not interested in your product or service. Exclude keywords that are not relevant to your business. For example, if you're a bakery that only sells baked goods in NYC, you might want to exclude keywords like bakeries in Chicago or bakeries in Los Angeles. Ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that can be added to your ad, such as a phone number or a link to your website. Ad extensions can help increase the click-through rate of your ad and ultimately increase your ROI. Include ad extensions like a phone number or a link to your website. For example, you might include a phone number so users can call to place an order, or a link to your website's menu so users can see all the baked goods you offer. Tracking and analytics. It's important to track your Google Ads campaign to see how it's performing. Use Google Analytics to track the number of clicks, conversions, and ROI of your campaign. Use this data to optimize your campaign and make changes that will improve its performance. Track your Google Ads campaign using Google Analytics to see how it's performing. Look at the number of clicks, conversions, and ROI of your campaign. Use this data to make changes and optimize your campaign for better performance. By following these tips, you can create a successful Google Ads campaign that will increase your ROI and get the results you want. Remember to do your keyword research, create compelling ad copy, design a well-organized landing page, use negative keywords, and track your campaign's performance. With these tips, you can outrank other websites and become a leader in your industry. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. And if you have any ideas for future videos or just want to say hi, leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our viewers. See you in the next one.